Hello, my students. Let's continue our lesson about nutrition. The first nutrient that we are going to talk about is proteins. Most of our body tissues are made of proteins, like the nervous tissue, our cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, different kinds of muscle inside your body is made of proteins. Proteins have many functions inside our body, like it is responsible for sending messages between different body cells, and it also help our immune system protect us against disease. Also, they support the cell and speed up the chemical reactions that take place inside our cells and inside our body. All of those functions are very important to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is stable organism, stable internal condition. So whatever the change happened to the environment around the organism, still everything inside our body is working properly. So this is homeostasis. A protein is a large molecule that made of amino acids. And those amino acids contain different molecules, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. We have combination of 20 different amino acids make up the proteins in our body. Our body cells can make more than half of these amino acids, while the rest we have to take them from food. So we need to eat food rich in protein in order to get the amino acids that our body cannot make. Some foods that are good sources of proteins are red meat, egg, beans, and peanut butter. The second group that we have is carbohydrates. Many foods contain carbohydrates like pasta, bread, and potato. They are rich in carbohydrates. The carbohydrate molecule is made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Carbohydrates is our main source of energy. When we eat carbohydrates, we can find them in three forms, either starch, sugar, or fibers. But all carbohydrates are made of sugar molecules linked together. It is best to eat the food that is carbohydrates from whole grains, like whole wheat pasta, whole wheat bread, because whole grains are easy to digest and they make us better and help in our digestion. Other foods that also is high in carbohydrates are red beans, vegetables, and fruits. The third nutrient that we have is fats. You need to have a certain amount of fats in your diet. Sometimes we call fats lipids. Fats are very important because they help our body absorb certain kinds of vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, and K. They form part of your cell membrane. They help to protect your organs and insulate them from cold temperature and also provide us with energy. But most people get or eat a lot of fat in their diet, and of course eating too much fat can lead to many health problems like heart diseases and diabetes and many other diseases. We should only take about 25 to 35% of our calories in the day should come from fats. We have good fats and bad fats. Good fats, or we call them the unsaturated fats, while the bad fats, we call them the saturated fats. You can find those saturated fats in burger, in fried food. Eating a diet that is high in saturated fats will increase the level of cholesterol in our blood, which can lead to risk of heart disease. Most of the fat in your diet should come from unsaturated fats, and you can find unsaturated fats in fish, nuts, in liquid vegetable oils. That's it for today. See you next time.